She's way out there, dude. She's on point. Come here. Come here. Come here, buddy. Yeah, I know. She could smell it, that's why. She's up downwind of it. Oh, she's on point. Come here, buddy. Heel. He's on it right now, too. He's on it. Here, Jet. Here, 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 here. Come here, buddy. He's on it. Right here, he's gonna flush it. Come here, Jet. Here, buddy. Here.
Right here.
Okay.
Rooster. Girl Daisy.
You got him?
I'll just let him get a little further away. Good girl, Daisy. Here. Here. Come on. Here. Good girl. Good girl. Here. Hey. This is good footage. Here. Whoa. Whoa. Good girl. Here. Whoa. Good girl.
Here, buddy. Come here. Come here.
Good girl. Hey, Bert. Hey, Bert. Good girl. You found a bird. You found a bird. Oh, my buck's a birdie, but you found a birdie. Good girl.
Did I shoot it to hell?
Good girl, Daisy. That one's set tight. I don't know. Maybe put one down in here. Paul, the old guy, he put every time he puts it one on top of the hill, one down here. Go to hell. Good girl, Daisy. Found that bird. Oh, I think there should be a hen out here.
That was a hen I just got.
That one?
Yeah.
Get that bird, Daisy. Oh, Jack.
Good boy. Bring it here. Fetch it up. Fetch it up, buddy. He was on that good. I'm glad he's marking it.
Good girl. Put them right close together.
I know, right?
Dropped it.
Who's got it? Jet, get the bird. Go get the bird. Fetch it up. Right here. Fetch it up.
Good girl, Daisy. Come on.
Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Fetch it up, do it. Nope. It's a small bird, man. Come in.
Oh, you got a front thing? I just shot his leg off.
I didn't shoot the fur right away. I was like, it's got it hanging. Take it. It was an easier shot for me, though, going side across, you know.
I was checking it.
I just lost one of mine. When I went to flip her open, it shot the good one out. I only shot once, I think.